going to be demonstrating the flame test today, and the flame test relies on the metal in the ionic compound, and the metal gets heated by the flame, and the electrons in the atoms of that metal get excited and they jump up to the next energy level. But when they return to the previous energy level, they emit a characteristic colour of light, and that's what you'll be really looking to observe in today's demonstration. So really focusing on the colour of the flame which is emitted when I introduce the metal compound into the flame. So I've got the metal compounds here. We're going to begin with copper sulfate. It's got copper and sulfate in it, but we're concerned with the copper because that's the metal compound. Now I'll just go from safety flame to a hot flame here, just adjusting the cover here, the collar. First thing I need to do is sterilise the wire loop. So it'll burn off any impurities, any contaminated bits and pieces off the wire. All the way. Now I'll introduce it. This is copper sulfate. So in your results, you're going to be observing and entering in your observations for the metal copper. So looking carefully. There you go, we saw a little bit of a colour there. You need to record that colour. I'm going to continue to burn this off, sterilising the wire loop. Put it in here, safety flame. Now I'll repeat the same test, but we've got sodium chloride now. Sodium chloride, so again, we're concerned about the sodium in this compound. Already sterilised this, so I'll dip it straight in. Now observing the colour for sodium. Okay, I'll burn that right off. Okay, sterilised. Now we're going to be testing potassium chloride, so looking for the flame colour that the potassium creates. So just remember to really keep a close eye on the first flame which is emitted. Okay, moving on to strontium chloride. So checking to see the colour that the strontium makes. Okay, this is for strontium. Oh yeah. Okay, we're moving on to barium chloride now. So the colour of flame that the barium will produce. Keeping a close eye on the first flame which is emitted. Well, that's it there. Might just repeat that one. Okay, quite a subtle colour there. Okay, and lastly, we're going to be testing calcium chloride. So checking to see flame that the calcium juice. Okay, now this is for the calcium. Watching carefully. Okay. Okay, so you should have your results for all of your metals there. I'd suggest that you re-watch the clip just to make sure that your observations are really accurate and you've got the right colour observations for each of the metals. Thank you.